In business, more than half of the 550 registered savings and credit cooperative societies, Saccos, in Homa Bay County are inactive in what officials blame on poor financial management, weak governance and loan defaults. Homa Bay CAC for Trade Elijah Dede says the devolved unit is strengthening the 200 Saccos that are operational through capacity building and reforms aimed at improving sustainability and restoring members' confidence.
You are told to buy a motorbike alone. You may not be able to, but if you come about 10 of us, it's going to be cheaper. That's the power of numbers. That's what we are advocating for our people. Let us have the power of numbers to benefit us. Let us grow. Let us have hope. Let us do our farming in a collaborative manner so that if today you are the only farmer whose maize is doing well and the rest are not doing well, everybody will be coming to you. But assuming 10 of you who are doing well, nothing will come. So all of us will have a good harvest. So that's what we are trying to tell our people, to inculcate the culture of savings, that you don't know tomorrow what will bring. If you save today, it will help you tomorrow.
To inculcate the spirit of exchange programs so that our people can go around and see for themselves the kind of investments, the kind of progress, the kind of economic empowerment that has come around because of cooperative societies.